Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Tanzin from Doplac.com, and today's video we'll have a look how you can create a completely customized email sequence with Doplac email marketing tool to increase your open rate, meeting booking, and ended up increasing your revenue. So let's dive into the video and see how to create a completely personalized email sequence. So click email sequence under the email marketing after signing into your Doplac account, and this is the page you will be taken to, where you can find all the previously email sequence that you have created using Doplac email marketing tool. You can see your email sequence name, its status, how many email in the sequence. When you create the email sequence, you can edit it, duplicate it, and delete it. But we will create a completely new email sequence. To create a new email sequence, click create new sequence. So give your sequence a name. I'm gonna give it test sequence. It's okay. Choose your SMTP provider, select your contact list from here. Done. If you want to accept any specific tag from the list, then you can expect it from here, but I don't need to actually do it. And here's the sending limit. You have to set up your sending limit. It's very important when you are sending an email sequence to increase your open rate. Set the email sequence, set the sending limit as low as possible. And here is some option. Check it out and choose which option actually is suitable for you. I think the first one is suitable for me. I'm continuing with the first one. And this here is you have to set up your email of the sequence. So when you want to send the first email sequence, instant would be better for me. That's why I'm leaving it instant for the first email. So at the very beginning, just set up your email info first, select your from email. If you want to add any reply email, you can do it. I'm not gonna add any reply email at this moment. Choose the subject line, hello. I'm gonna add a dynamic tag here. First name, it's copied, paste it here. How are you doing? Be serious when you're actually choosing your subject line. It's very important. Depend on subject line, your email will be opened or not. So be serious when you're choosing your subject line. From name, Tanzil from like. It's okay. So my email info is ready. Now I'm gonna design my email here. Click here to design your email, and it will land on our email template library. You can choose from our hundreds of ready to use email template. Just you can click on a template. I think this one will be perfect for me. And here it is. You can add your brown bias, but I'm not gonna change anything. If you want to change anything, then you can do it. I'm just gonna save and continue. Even if you want to send any plain text without any designed template, then you can do it. Just click on a plain text and write your text and then just send it. But I'm gonna send this template. Okay, just save and continue. And here it is. My first email is ready of the sequence. So I'm gonna add a new email for the sequence. And then you want to add sequence, set the time when your second email should send. Okay, I'm gonna click wait, choose the date, second or third day after the starting date. And if you can choose specific days which day your email should send. So click here, and I'm gonna select all the weekdays. I'm gonna leave the weekend. So I think the weekdays would be better for me, and everyone want to actually send email on weekdays. So I'm gonna choose Monday to Friday. Okay, you can also set your time zone. You can choose which time zone you actually time range you want to send your email. It's very important if everyone want to send his email on the working hours. So you can choose your time range, which time range you want to send your email. I'm gonna choose 9 to 5 p.m. You can choose whatever you want. Even you can choose specific time zone, but at this moment I'm gonna choose any time zone. If you think you need to choose any time zone, then you can do it. Just click here and choose your time zone. I'm gonna leave it as usual. Save, and my second email things is ready. I'm gonna add a new email info. There is one thing. If you can use several or different sender email for different email, then it will help you to increase your open rate, deliverability, and ended up increase your revenue. So, but at this moment, I'm going to choose the same one, but it's recommended, I will recommend you to use different sender for different email of the same sequence. Add your subject line here, preview text, your sender name, from name, but I'm not going to add anything here. Just click save. You can design your email just clicking by here. It will land on our email template library. You can choose an email template, or you can, under the save template section, you can find all the templates that you have created before using Doplac email template builder. Or if you want to create an email template just from scratch, just click start from blank. But I'm going to choose a pre-built template, so I think this one will be perfect for me. And here it is. Save and continue, and that's it. My second email is ready of the sequence. You can add as many email as you want to add in the sequence, but I'm not going to add anything at this moment. So if you want to add more email in this sequence, you can do it, but I'm not going to add any more sequence. That just click save. Save the sequence. It will save as a draft, and if you want to publish the sequence now, you can just turn on this button and it will be published and start sending your email. So it's all for today. Hope you guys found the video helpful. If you have any question or feedback, leave them in the comment below, or stay tuned for more informative video from Doplac. Thank you for watching.